So if people are purchasing some products many times from a specific collection and your stocks are going out, then in this video I will show a step-by-step guide how you can limit the purchase of products from a specific collection. So let's begin. So for this I am using this next order limit quantity application from the Shopify app store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Give a title, limit the purchase of products from a specific collection. Then add a new rule, add a condition, select the condition, limit product can purchase from a collection. Then select the collection. Then here type the max quantity, like I am typing 3. Then add the action. So here are two options, show error message on cart and checkout page and show error message on checkout page. I am choosing show error message on the checkout page. Then type the default message here, like you cannot purchase more than 3 products from this collection. After that, active the status and save this. Now people cannot purchase more than 3 products from this specific collection. So let's check it on the online store. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more valuable content. If I add more than 3 products from the collection, then you can see the error message. But if I add less than 3 products from this collection, then you can see there is no error message. So yeah, in this way you can do this very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for all today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.